Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making crunchy Nigerian egg rolls. These are crunchy on the outside and very soft on the inside. So let's get started. To a pot, you're going to add in your eggs and boil this. You're going to cook your eggs for about 10 to 12 minutes. Please don't overcook your eggs. So our eggs are ready now. I'll just take this out of the water and I'm going to put this into a bowl of very cold water. I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes before cracking the eggs. I like to crack my eggs under running water. This makes the shell come off easily. So after cracking my eggs, I'm just going to place them into a plate and I'll sprinkle some flour all over it. After sprinkling the flour, I'm just going to just shake it this way so the flour goes round. After that, I'll keep it aside, and in another bowl, I'll go in with 2.5 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'll add a 1/4 cup of powdered milk and mix this properly to make sure everything is well combined. Then I'll go ahead with 2 tablespoons of butter and mix properly. Mix till everything is well mixed. After mixing, I'm going to crack an egg, beat properly, then pour the egg in. Then I'll go in with 3/4 cup of water. Mix properly till everything is well mixed, till it forms a dough like this. This recipe is for a more crunchier dough, but if you want your dough to be way softer, you're going to use 1 cup of water instead of 3/4. So after mixing, I'm going to cover and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before cutting. So I'm going to sprinkle some flour. Then I'm going to take my dough, roll it into this log, and I'm going to cut. I'll cut this into 6 pieces because we're using 6 eggs. So I'll just take one of this, I'll flatten it up in my palm like this, flatten it up wide enough for the egg to go in. Then I'll take one of my egg, I'll put it in the middle, and I'll have my dough go round it like this. I'm going to pinch at the sides like this to seal it all up to prevent holes in the middle. So after doing that, I'll just cut, then I'll roll it in my palm, roll it properly to form a perfect round shape. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to repeat the process again. So you flatten it up properly, wide. Then take your egg, place in the middle, and have your dough go round it. Please make sure your dough goes round it. If it doesn't go round, there's a very high possibility of it cracking up in the oil while frying. So just cut up the excess and roll very well in your palms like this. So we're done rolling everything, and here is our 6 rolled egg rolls ready to be fried. You're going to use a deep pan for this, something or a pot, something very deep, and you're going to need lots of oil, enough oil to cover the egg rolls. That way it fries evenly and nicely. Please don't overcrowd your pan like I did. You're going to use medium heat for this. So our egg rolls are all ready now, and I'm going to just take them out of the oil. Please fry on medium heat to prevent having egg rolls that are fried on the outside and unfried on the inside. Our egg rolls are all ready now, and look how beautiful they look. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. I'll just take one and show you. I'm just going to cut this. Can you see how soft it is? So yeah, it's so crunchy on the outside and very soft on the inside. I really do hope you try this recipe. These were so good. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.